Hi, in this video I will show you the working of the software. I write using Python and MicroPython in Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi Pico. Software I write is drone control using keypad with Raspberry Pi Pico. Let's get to work. Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Pi Pico, keypads. Drone connection. Fly. Right, left, forward, back, forward, left, forward, left, right, 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 left, left, forward, up, 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 down, 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 turn left, turn right, flip left, flip right, flip back, flip forward. Land. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.